So one challenge we have is we have to take our panels into the forest. I'll be driving today. It's a treacherous route, 15 kilometers. So we have to be very careful that the panels don't break. So we have to drive very carefully in the treacherous terrains of the forest, so that our material reaches. We have our tractor, the other material is going there. But this is a difficult task because if a small jerk can just break the panels, so we have to be very careful. See, there are small things when we are packing panels out here that we have to put them frame to frame. Even if this amount of, if it is not put properly, it will break the panel. So it has to completely come frame to frame here. Otherwise, it will be a big problem while we are while we are taking it in transport. So we are going inside the forest. I have the forest camper with me. So grateful to the forest department that they have given their vehicle to us to work inside. So we are carrying our material. We are going inside the forest. You can see we are in the core area of Ranipur Tiger Reserve, and we'll be showing you. We are going to go through a very treacherous terrain right now. We'll climb up the hill in a 4x4 mode, and then go up to the top of the hill. There is a site there called Rujhaunha Chowkie that we are doing there. It is the top of the plateau there. There is no water at all out there, and we are going to give water at few water bodies out there, which will make the animals stay there in summers there, and the tiger also stay there. There are already couple of cheetahs out there, but they will move down once the water finishes there. So we want to give water there. The water should be there in summers. So once the water is there, they will stay, and we will have the carnivorous animals also staying there, and we will see the number of tiger growing in coming years in this forest. This is what we want to do. We want to see the change that happens in the forest. So आप देखेंगे हमने कहाँ से शुरू किया था और हम किस हाइट पर आ गए हैं चलते चलते. So नीरज will show you. नीरज दिखाओ हम कहाँ आ गए हैं. सालों पुराना मंदिर है. सालों बाद आज हमने इस मंदिर का अभिषेक किया है मूर्ति का. Good evening. We are at Rujhaunha. This is the main grassland of the entire Rujhaunha region in Manikpur range of Ranipur Tiger Reserve. Very beautiful grassland. One of the few places where we have found good number of cheetahs in this entire forest. So this area has got good number of cheetahs out here. So we have done a good solar system out here. There are two big water bodies. One they have freshly made. One is an old lake out here, and there is a well out here from where we are picking up the water and giving it to the two water bodies. Automatically our system will work from here and give water to both the water bodies. There is a good amount of tiger movement in this area. So we showed you Chowki. So from Chowki, this area is 6 kilometers. Between there is no water, and this area also had no water, so animals were not stopping on this grassland in summers out here. So now, because we have given water in this area, we feel that animals will actually stay in the grassland in summers as well, and this will help all tigers also to stay here in this area. So we are expecting that, you know, a good number of cheetal, and because of that, good number of tigers will also stay in this area, and it will have in future breeding also happening in this area. Thank you. तो शाम के 5:30 बज गए, अंधेरा होने वाला है, आप देख रहे हैं। एंड अभी हम रास्ता फिगर आउट कर रहे हैं कैसे हम सेकंड वाटर बॉडी तक पहुँचे। फॉरेस्ट में चल रहे हैं। इट इज़ डेंजरस। इवनिंग टाइम है, बहुत हैवी यहाँ पे स्लॉथ बेयर मूवमेंट है। 3-4 दिन पहले यहीं पर एक आदमी का अटैक हुआ है स्लॉथ बेयर का। तो हम चल रहे हैं, रास्ता फिगर आउट कर रहे हैं कि हम कैसे नई वाटर बॉडी तक पहुंचेंगे, क्योंकि हमें पाइपलाइन ले करनी है। देखते हैं, कांटे भी बहुत हैं, स्नेक्स बहुत हैं यहाँ पर, स्पेशली टाइगर तो है ही है। तो जितना इजी दिखता है हमारा काम, उतना इजी होता नहीं है। रात को कभी ऐसे शाम के टाइम पे, मूवमेंट टाइम पे आप साथ चलेंगे तो आपको पता लगेगा कि जानवर मूवमेंट कितना हैवी होता है। एंड सीरियसनेस ऑफ द सिचुएशन तभी समझ आती है जब सामने जानवर मिलता है। तब तक जंगल डेंजरस नहीं होता, बट व्हेन यू कम फेस टू फेस इन फ्रंट ऑफ एन एनिमल, then you know that this is a very dangerous place, and we know this, that it's a very dangerous place. इस जंगल में इतने कांटे हैं कि पूरी टीम के पैर खून से लथपथ हो गए हैं, कांटों से चुभ गए हैं।